All right, what's up, guys? So I just got finished up my trading session for the day. As you can see, I took 2 winning trades on NASDAQ today. Ended the day up $6,300 in total P&L. This is on my personal live trading account. Now, full transparency, yesterday I did have a $3,000 loss. I had 2 losses yesterday, 2 winners today. So now for the week, I'm up 3,000 total, obviously. But I want to go over the trading for the day and even yesterday because, obviously with any system, with any strategy, you're going to have periods where you take losses. As long as you respect those and keep trading the system, if it's a profitable system, you're going to come out on top. Okay, but if you keep over trading, you're going to get into such a big drawdown where, when those opportunities do present themselves, right? Maybe you're not going to have enough money in your account, or you're just going to, be way more down than you should have. Anyways, let's go into the trades today. So starting out, we have, obviously yesterday we had a huge move down, and we can see we have yesterday's lows right here. We have yesterday's highs right here. This is this white line. Then we have these different fib retracements. So all these red lines, they're labeled fib retracements. It's basically just the retracement levels from this low, right? These were going to be different targets for me for the day. We just hit target 1 right now, the 50%. Anyways, next thing on my chart is the 15-minute orb. So this is our opening range. 15-minute candle was right here. So I have a line on the high and a line on the low. So first thing I'm looking for is I'm going into the 5-minute time frame, and I'm looking for this strategy I was trading. I'm looking for white candles. This is using the Williams VIX Fix indicator. It basically shows when market volatility pops up, we get these green bars, and then when it drops, we get these white candles showing that this could be the bottom and we could have a rally up. Now, what I need price to close above our white candle. As you can see, we never closed above our white candle here. We kept selling off and we broke below our opening range. Now, what happens when we break below the opening range is I'm going to not get in on the 5-minute time frame right away. I'm going to wait for the 1-minute pullback. So as you can see, we broke the opening range. We got another white candle right here, and we closed above the white candle on this candle right here. So at this point, when this candle closed, this is where I started looking for pullbacks on the 1-minute time frame. So essentially at around 9:42, I posted inside my inner circle group, 9:46, I said, we'll be looking for 1-minute pullbacks now, because the 5-minute got confirmed and they kind of know what I'm looking for. So if we go over to that time frame, okay, so let's go to the 1-minute now. Okay, that was at 9:46, which is right here. Okay, and as you can see, we started selling off. We didn't get a white candle till right here on the 1-minute. As you can see, this next candle never closed above it, so that was invalid. Got another white candle, never closed above it. And then at around, what time did I post this? 10:16, I said we need to hold the 315 area. Okay, so 10:16 is right here. This is like literally right when I started getting in. We just got a white candle. I said we need to hold this 316 area. As you can see, 316 was around right here. Okay, so we need to hold above here because this was the low of our 15-minute bullish candle. So if we broke this, we're just breaking the upward structure. So we got a pretty deep pullback from this upward move, but we're still holding the structure, right? This big move up. So anyways, 315 area is right here. We held above it. We got another white candle, and we closed above it, above that white candle on this candle right here. I entered my position around right here at 80 or so. And man, when I tell you I just barely got filled for my 1-to-1, I just barely got filled. As you can see, I have my stop below the lows. Just barely got filled on this by a point or two. So maybe got a little lucky on there, but I was basically just going for a 1-to-1 risk reward. Since, we're not above our opening range, it's, we don't have a clear trend. We're kind of just chopping around. So I want to take, just more scalps. So for me, that's the 1-to-1 risk reward. So I took this trade. It was a winner. And then from there, right, going back in the Discord, I said the 1-to-1 just barely hit. Now, this was at 11:08 my time. I said, If these lows hold, I'll be waiting for a bullish 15-minute candle, then the 1-minute pullbacks. If lows don't hold, we will have to wait for another 5-minute setup to get confirmed. Okay, so this is at 11:08. If we go back to 11:08, this was right here. Okay, so I was basically trying to see, will these lows hold? Okay, will these lows hold? If it does, then I went and wait for a big move up and then get in on a pullback, right? If they don't hold, then I need to wait for a new 5-minute setup. Okay, as you can see, they broke through, right? Broke through, and now we're going back to the 5-minute time frame, waiting for a new setup to appear. Okay, as you can see, lows broke, we got some green bars. Volatility went crazy. Volatility dropped. We got a white candle. We got to close above that white candle. So at this point, once this candle closed, right, now I'm doing the same thing over. I'm waiting for those 1-minute pullbacks. Okay. So once this gets confirmed, as long as these lows hold, I want to get in on the 1-minute pullback. So now we go back to the 1-minute time frame, right? As you can see, the 5-minute candle got confirmed at around 11:50 my time. Okay, so right here, we got our first pullback. We pulled back perfectly to yesterday's lows. Unfortunately, we didn't get any white candles. Okay, I really wanted to take this. I was like, man, should I get in right here? Should I? Technically doesn't follow my system. I didn't get in. I almost did. But I was like, man, that's not a good example. I'm not following the strategy. Okay. This thing ripped up. Obviously, that got me a little frustrated, but I stayed patient. I sat on my damn hands, and we started ripping up again. We got towards the top of our orb, okay, which is basically our resistance area. And from here, we saw a white candle, right? But what do we notice? We never closed above this wick. Okay, we never closed above it. We sold off more. We got another white candle, and then this candle right here, we closed above it. I got long right here. I put my stop below the lows, and we just ripped up to high a day. I really should have held this to 50% retracement, but you know, I was kind of P&L watching. This is one of my biggest trading days on my personal account. So I was like, man, I just want to lock this in. I already had one winner earlier today. But, you know, honestly, I should have held this to this 50% retracement. So anyways, that was my trades for the day. Now let's go back to yesterday. Okay, let's do the same thing and let's go back to yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, like I said, I took 2 losses and it was the same idea. Okay, the same thing happened. Ignore the lines on the chart. But, okay, yesterday is right here. So on Monday, what happened? Right, we broke below the orb. We got a white candle. We never closed above it. And then right here, we got a white candle right here. It just doesn't show white because you can't, the body's really small, but you can see green bars drop from green to gray. We got confirmation right here. And then basically as long as we held above the structure, right, I was looking to take pullbacks on the 1 minute to get long. That's exactly what I did, right? But yesterday it just didn't work. As you can see, I got long right here, got stopped out. I got long right here, got stopped out, and then there's no more setups for the day. So sometimes it just doesn't work as well. There was some clues on the volume that, you know, I shouldn't have taken this. So that's just how it goes sometimes, right? That's any strategy. You're going to have periods where you're going to lose, you know, at least 1 trade or 2 trades in a row, sometimes 3 or 4 trades in a row. But if you stick to the system and it's a profitable system, right, you're going to come out on top at the end of the month. Okay, I'm not trying to win every trade. I'm trying to get the 60 to 70% win rate. Okay, that's going to bring me in profits at the end of the month that I can take home and deposit into my bank account. So anyways, guys, those are my trades for the day. That's how I ended up making the $6,300 in total P&L today on my personal account. Real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know that we're still running a free 7-day trial to my private inner circle group. So if you guys want to trade live with me every day on Zoom and also get my trade ideas and alerts, which is this Discord channel right here that I showed you, right? I won't tell you exactly where I'm getting in because I want you to understand the strategy and be self-sufficient, but I'm going to give you ideas of when I'm looking for pullbacks, what levels we need to hold. okay, when I'm out of the trade, stuff like that. So I'm going to give you notes. I'm going to give you ideas. We also trade live every day on Zoom as well, going over my plan or any trades that we see during this live session. So anyways, guys, if you want to join the inner circle, like I said, we're running a free 7-day trial right now. All you have to do is go to the first link in the description below, or just head over to marketminutes.co/join. Once you do sign up, you're going to get taken to our membership area. In our membership area, I did a training last night going over this 5-minute strategy. So watch this video right here once you actually sign up. And this is a full 2-hour training going over the strategy that you just saw me trade today. This is my newer 5-minute strategy called the trap and flip strategy. And you're going to get access to all these indicators and basically all the rules behind the strategy that I covered today. So anyways, if you guys want to join this, we'd love to have you inside. Again, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. With that being said, guys, as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning, hopefully inside our inner circle group on those live trading calls.